Hello everyone. In this quick tutorial, I am going to show you how can you change your Roblox location if you accidentally changed it. So first of all, you have to open up the Roblox application and log into your account. Now, you have to go over to your menu, then click on Help and Safety. Now again, click on Help. So first of all, you have to select the first option. Then you have to scroll down towards the end and click on See All 16 articles. Then again, scroll down and click on Account Location. Now you have to scroll down and click on Contact Support. Now from here, first of all you have to enter your username, your first name, your email, then your device, and then the category of your issue. You can select multiple categories because of this issue, but I will select the category that says technical issues. So now you have to enter a description of your issue. So you can simply write that I changed my location by accident and I want to change it again. So please help Team Roblox. After that, Roblox will receive your application and will help you. So that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing for more videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.